Hey y'all, hope everybody's having an amazing, great day. Today is going to be a good day. Y'all got to start saying that. Every day you leave out your door, start saying today is going to be a good day. So guess what? So it could be a good day. But I am here at my local Aldi's. I'm at the Aldi's right there. I'm going to grab me a couple of mangoes because I think I seen mangoes on sale. And that way I can cut them up, put them in my smoothie. And then we're going to go across the street to like a store, it's a Goodwill, but it's called Value World. So it's like a sister store to Savers. And I'm gonna be looking for like a couple of cardigans. Because if y'all seen me, she did the dance to do the donations. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I'll bring you guys along for a little bit, much as I can, okay? All right, let's get started. All the mangoes are gone. I got pineapples on sale for $1.69. All the mangoes are gone, y'all. Okay, let's find some other type of fruit. Now, I was told glow grapes got seeds in them, but I'm not sure. What does that say? Y'all let me know if they got seeds in them. So these are $4.99, and they got blueberries. Blackberries are $1.99, but I don't see any. Ooh, y'all, the blueberries is $3.49. No, ma'am. So I'll see you guys later. They don't even have any mangoes that I see, so I'll talk to you guys in a little while. Yeah, guys, so I didn't leave out of there with anything. All the fruit was like really high priced, and I just think that is so ridiculous. So we're gonna go to our next stop, and that is the thrift store. And I'm gonna go look for a couple of things, and I'm gonna bring you guys along if I can. But I did have a smoothie today, and I think I put it on Instagram. But I had my dragon fruit, strawberries, and ginger. A lot of you always want me to put it on there, you know what I had. So that is what I had. So let's go ahead and go over to the thrift store. Maybe we have some luck in there. Even though food and fruit and stuff is more important than thrifting, but I'm only gonna look for a few things, and then I'm gonna be probably out of there really quick, and then maybe I might have a haul for y'all if I find anything great. All right, y'all, let's get it. We're gonna try to be discreet as we can today, because we don't want nobody saying, oh, she on the camera, she's doing something, or they might think I'm the police or something, or the news people or something. But yeah. But I'm going to show y'all what to this car go by if I get hit. Damn, they speed. What's wrong with you? Okay, this is the store here. So let's get ready to walk inside. Let's get it. Yeah, they got music playing, so I don't know how long this is going to be. This is a cute bag. It don't have a price. That one's cute too. Oh, so it'd be half of that. No, that ain't the right price at all. Ooh, that's a little bit too much. I like this hat though. It's from Nordstrom's. It's black, and it's got a little thing in the front. Let's see what y'all. I don't know what's wrong with my camera, but it says that it's wool. Yeah, it says it's wool, but we'll see. I'm gonna keep looking for some more. Y'all, I love this color. This is so pretty. But it's a large, so I might not get it, but I like these pants. These pants are nice. So these will be half off of $1.80. Yep. All right, guys, we're done. I didn't get much. I got like a few items in this bag here. I had to let the camera off because they had music playing, and then my video would get dinged. So once I get home, I know I'm going to watch the couple of, I'll just show you guys once I get home what I got. So I'll see you guys shortly. All right, guys, I almost forgot to end this video, but I'm going to catch up with you guys in another video. It is evening time and I'm about to eat some food. I'm going to show you guys what I did cook for dinner today. So feast your eyes on that. We got some sweet potato fries over here, and we just got us a really nice, look at that. Oh, sorry, y'all. Got a really nice salad there. What do you think? All right, y'all. I will see you guys in a couple of days, okay? All right. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Clearly it's another day, but yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. It's the last day of the month. I think it's March 31st. Y'all, sorry, it's a spider on my wall. Like, oh my gosh. I'm so sick and tired of these bugs already. Ants everywhere, all that good stuff. If anybody have a recipe that's natural, please let me know so I can do it. Put it around the borders or something, because I'm like so tired of these ants crawling everywhere. But anyway, guys, let's drink. It's tea time. So guys, I just want to, this is something that I do every day. I slacked off a little bit, but I had to bring it back because it does work. Today is a great day. Today is a beautiful day. Today is an amazing day for you, for me, for all those that are around us. Because if you start off your day asking for abundance, peace, wisdom, knowledge, tranquility, peace, covering, all those things will come. So it starts off the day within yourself, so that way whoever you're around, their energy is going to transform. It's going to go to the next person. They're going to feel your energy. So every day is a good day. Today is going to be a good day. Today is going to be an amazing day. Today is a good day for peace, abundance, and joy. I know you're going to cover us, Lord. I know you're going to take care of us, Lord. We need not to worry. You're going to do everything in your power as long as we believe and have the faith. Amen. So that was for me. So y'all, you got to say it for yourself, but that was for me. So y'all, this is so good. I'm so kind of like, I'm not like really excited because it's sugar, even though that stuff say sugar free. The s'mores coffee, like extra little stuff that I put in that little glass. It tastes good though. Yeah, I really need that, like for the Nespresso, because this will have you off your rockers. Okay, I'm just saying it will. But anyway, guys, I'm going to show y'all something. I'm going to show you where I put those pictures that was in from the gallery wall, and I'm going to show you something that I woke up to, y'all. I was just like, I was so floored, and it brought me to tears. So I'm going to share that with y'all in a second, okay? All right, guys, so this is where I decided to put the my pictures, because I don't know, to me it was like a more intimate thing than being out somewhere else, when you, especially like when you're having company and stuff like that. I just decided to put them here. I know it looks small on this wall, but it's I don't know why it looks small from the camera, but it's really not that small in person. But what I was thinking is, maybe if I find some more of these like gold frames, like for $1 or something, maybe I'll get bigger frames, but I don't know. I don't know. It's not like I have to have that. But then let me show y'all what I really want to show you. All right, guys, hopefully y'all can see what I'm going to show you. I was laying in bed, so you got just a picture laying in the bed and you looking at your plant. Because I talk to my plants, you guys. I talk to my plants. I absolutely love my plants. Actually, I have to like shine these leaves up probably before I leave today. But I was sitting there and I seen something. I'm like, oh my God, it's a bug on the branch. And guys, it's not a bug. Let me show y'all. It is actually not a bug. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that right there? Right here? That is actually another branch coming off of this one. So I'm going to bring y'all closer so y'all can see what I see. I am so excited, y'all. When I walked up to the plant and seen that, you would have thought Somebody, I don't know, you would have thought, I cried. I did. I cried like a little baby. But look at that. So I'm going to give y'all a closer up look of this so you can get what I'm saying. Y'all, look at that. Look how pretty. Come on, camera. They can't see. Y'all, look at that. Oh my gosh, y'all. I was so excited. So yes, she's sprouting off. Look, there's another baby coming off right there. See that? Ain't that beautiful? So y'all, let's get into the haul. All right, y'all. So you guys know I went to that thrift store, and the first thing I found, guys, was this beautiful black pillow. If you can see closely, it has like a chevron. It has like a really nice, look at that, really nice chevron print on it. And I don't know what kind of materials in the inside, but you still can like karate chop it if you want. It's really nice. So depending on when I outsort some things, and just look around, I might put this in the front room in that chair that has like the rust colored throw draped over it, or I might put it, I don't know. We'll decide. But I found this, and I paid $1.49. No, it was less than that. I think I paid $1.30 for this, but I think it's really nice. So I found that, and I did clean it. So all the items I'm going to show you guys, I did already wash them because it's clearly, the next couple of days or whatever. So I already washed them, pressed them, and all that kind of stuff. But guys, you can never go wrong with sweaters. Even at this time of the year, it's about to be spring. But guys, I got 3 pieces that I want to share with you. I got this one here, which is a shirt, which is like a rust colored shirt. I love the fact that it has this V-neck, deep V, and look at the sleeves, y'all. It's so pretty. Do y'all see that? It's so pretty, so pretty. So I'm probably gonna throw this one on, show you what it looks like. But I got 2 cardigans, because if you're not following me, y'all follow me on Instagram. I do post things, and then I did a poll. Y'all want to engage with me? That's how we're gonna engage. I asked y'all to tell me about the console table. By the time you see this video, it'll probably be done already. But I asked y'all to let me know. Stain the top, antique gold the bottom, so it can go with the dining room table. So if I just, anyway, by chance, that I decide later in the future that I want to move it somewhere else, it still would go and compensate the dining room table. So anyway, let's just get into it. So this was the first piece I found. So all together, guys, I spent a total of $6.41, which is not bad, right? So I got this shirt, like I said. I really like this. But I got 2 cardigans, guys, because like now I have my basic cardigans. You don't need a lot of cardigans. I'm just going to show y'all, like, I got this gray one. And the fact that it has these beautiful pockets here, I absolutely love that. And then I don't know if y'all can see the detail on the arms there. That is so pretty to me. So we're going to try this one. Yeah, you can dress these up, guys. Throw some jeans on, like a top I got on. Throw you a nice hat on. Get your little bag. Look at that. Ain't that nice? Oh my gosh, y'all. I love it. Love it. I didn't have a gray one. So now I have that cream color one that y'all see the last video. I have that one. I have this one. And now I have my black one. So that is what it looks like. Y'all, throw you on a baseball cap, a hat, you'll be good to go. Okay, let's look at the next one. So y'all let me know if y'all like these, and if you are a cardigan person, a person who likes cardigans. And if you want to know the name, this one is, hold on y'all, this is Halogen. I don't know who makes Halogen, but that's that. If you guys can see that, that's that one. And let's get into the next one. Let me hang this back up. Now, I'm gonna get me a rack. If I can find me a gold rack, maybe I'll do some more hauls and stuff. But I will probably put it like in the office or something. Now, this one is by Isaac Mazahi, and this is like Target brand. So, guys, oh, this is black, and this is a medium. I think this one is This one, both of them are medium. I wanted small, but I couldn't find small. Yes, guys, I like small. But this is a medium. And it's just, look, you can wrap it, put a belt on it. It has pockets. Look at that. You can throw on a hat. Let me get a hat. Let me get a hat and show you what I'm talking about. Look at that. Throw your hat on. Get your little bag. Get your little jewelry. Look at that. That's what I'm saying. Like, it don't take much. What do y'all think? And then you see the detail in it. It has the lines going down and it has the lines going across. And it has the sleeves that are long, like so. Y'all, I love it, love it, love it. So let's try on the next one. Because I really love this sweater. And I know it's going to hang off like your shoulders or whatnot. So we're going to do that one. Yeah, we're going to do that one. Let's see. So I got all my cardigans. I got, like I said, cream, gray, black. Maybe if I find a white one, we'll see. Let's try this one on. Oh, y'all, this is so pretty and it feels so good. Now they tore the tag out of it, but it feels like cashmere. Oh gosh, y'all, this is so pretty. So pretty. Put my jewelry back here. Look at that. And then look, if you want to, you could do a little something like that. Let me get a hat. Put the hat on. Let's get a bag. Off the shoulder. Well, you could actually, let me see, let me tuck it in. Y'all, ain't that nice? Oh my God, this is so cute. Or you can just wear it like that. Y'all, I love this. What do y'all think? Do y'all like it? Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Did you like them all or what? But y'all, yeah, that is gonna do it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, the try on haul, my thrifting stuff. Now, I will do more, but I'm only going to go to thrift stores, y'all, if I really, really need something. I'm going to show y'all, too, like, how I cleaned out my closet. So, let me show y'all right quick so y'all won't think she's joking. So, as you can see, like I said, I have just these few here. I have this one off the shoulder. I have my Ralph Lauren one, and this is the long white cardigan I told you guys. So, look, limited amount of shirts I got rid of, and I got rid of some jeans. So, yeah. So guys, I will see you all in another video really, really soon. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today. Be blessed in all you do. And always remember, love yourself so that you be the love of others. So this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all. Bye.